Yeah, watch the crypto.
Says the guy that just cussed like.
Yeah. Jay, did you delete that first one?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, sweet. All right, are we live? Are we doing this?
We're doing it. It's running.
Cool. All right, guys, welcome back to War Room Finance. Today is Thursday, May 5th, and on this show we go over the week's top headlines in stocks, crypto, and other investments like real estate. But before we get started, listen to this message from Jair.
We're not financial advisors. We're here to provide news and our opinions on the news. So don't buy or sell anything based on what you hear on the show. Do your due diligence before you make any purchases.
That's right. All right, Eric, so give us a rundown of what's on the agenda for tonight.
All right, so we have a federal rate, 50 base point hikes. We got a markets crashing. Nasdaq down 5%. We got crypto crashing. We have rug pulls from crypto.com. We got the whole like we just have. I mean, I have my bad about that.
It just sounds brutal right now. The market is just in turmoil.
It is in turmoil, and then we also have the whole ApeCoin fiasco happening again. Another rug pull there, and some good memes and real estate prices are coming down and up. So we'll check that out right now.
All right.
This is the worst 4 months we've ever had since 1939.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the worst start in our lifetimes, man.
Yeah, pretty much our lifetime.
Man,
that upside's gonna be great though.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's why.
I'm just looking at the upside because this is pretty crazy.
Yeah, just looking at the SPY within 1 year, it's been going down for the past 6 months. So yeah, it's pretty bloody. All right, so let's kick it off with the Fed. So they increased 50 basis points, right? Was it yesterday? Jerome Powell came out and talked about it.
Yep. Yeah. So so he came out and said they'll do 0.5 basis points, and then he came out and said that the next rate hikes he expects them to be 0.5 or less, and that they were trying to engineer a soft landing. We'll see how it goes, but then on that day markets kind of bounced back. That they went up, but then today everything just got slaughtered, man.
Yeah, so yeah, you're right. So they announced it.
It's a shark fin. It's a straight bull trap. Bull trap, bro. No, that's what it's called.
Yeah, it's a bull trap for sure.
Yeah, bulls got wrecked that day, but yeah, okay.
So they're expecting it to be 2.25, right, by the end of the year.
Yes.
I guess I haven't done the math, but
I mean that's what they said about. That's what they said when they did the 2.5. They're like, oh, we're not gonna do the 0.5, and then lo and behold.
Yeah, so we'll see. If this doesn't help inflation, if we don't see prices start to come down, then in a couple months, Jay Powell might come out and say, sorry, we have to do 0.75.
Yeah.
I mean,
nothing's slowing down,
It also depends on how they react. I mean, last time it was the issue where, everyone rallied right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the last, this right here, looking at the S&P, this was like the last
that was it.
hike. And then everyone went like full on, like to the moon. And then Jerome Powell was like, this is not the plan.
Waited, yeah.
You guys should have waited. Like, you guys are messing it up for everyone. You guys are making me look bad here. But yeah, so I guess it's time he kind of put his foot down. It's like, all right, enough's enough. You guys have to learn your lesson. But yeah,
the picture is the meme of the time machine. I mean the printing machine going backwards.
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah, we need that clip, or we do need that meme. But yeah. And okay, in other news, Bitcoin dropped to what, 35K today?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I
call that support. That support was at 38. And once they hit 38, it was.
Yeah, you're right. It literally fell off my line.
Yeah, so it broke that trend. What do you guys think? Oh God.
Well, isn't the halving happening soon?
No, in 2 years.
Oh,
2 years.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a long time.
2024.
Yeah, Bitcoin is it's getting wrecked.
We could see it go to 33 and then maybe have a bounce back. That looks like the next support.
Yeah, Wales really bought off at 36, so it's holding pretty nice.
The last time it was down there was when July of last year.
Nope.
Like it was at 28, right? It was like, well, that's what I'm saying, like the lowest.
No, the last one was this one. Was the second? Yeah, that one right there.
Yeah, this one here was the 6th, so around like right before October, like July type of stuff.
Then it rallied hard.
Yeah,
last summer.
Yeah, I don't think we're ever gonna see at 28.
No, we're gonna go to the second support. You went to the third support. Yeah.
Which is what next we're at.
The lower. It's 20 lower. It's 33
Oh.
right there. No, go up. It's 33 right there. Yeah.
Oh, so right here.
Yeah.
This will be the next support. It's about right. Actually, yeah, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll see how that one plays out.
Damn.
It's looking scary.
I think we could definitely see 33, and then we have a bounce back. But I don't know.
Yeah,
the has been going in now. It's crazy.
yeah. One of them that's been holding a lot better than Bitcoin has been Ethereum. I don't know if it's because of the whole NFT craze, but yeah, this one dropped, but it didn't drop below my line here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much do or die. Like it's really holding
Yeah.
that do or die.
That's not a good candle though.
Yeah, the candle's very weak.
Yeah.
It's only, oh my god.
That's a doji. It's a standard reversal if anything.
That is a reversal
that could be a
candle.
good sign. That could be a good sign.
Yeah, but we'll see if the inflows outdo the outflows. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. All right. Yeah, so that happened this week, well, today, I guess. Everyone getting wrecked, stocks and crypto. And then yeah, so this article came out about Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of MicroStrategy, saying that if Bitcoin hits 21K, they're gonna get margin call, and I don't think he has the capital to back it up.
How much do you think they're gonna get? They have to pay if they get margin call.
Man, I know they've been buying like 500 million like at a time and stuff. These guys
250 million.
Oh, they have 215 worth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
but is that their leverage holdings or just their own holdings?
I think it's just their own Bitcoin holdings.
Yeah,
yeah, because I know they borrow against their holdings. Yeah, they leverage it.
Why are they calling for it to possibly hit 21,000?
Oh no, that's the
next support.
No, that's if it hits at 21K for BTC, that they're gonna
get
margin call.
That's their okay, gotcha.
That's
like
their margin. Yeah, like anything below that, they're gonna start covering. If they can't cover it, they're gonna be forced to sell because the bank's not gonna take that loss.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I do think if Bitcoin was to hit like below low 20s, it will collapse pretty. I mean, if it like the lower it goes, the more that people are gonna get margin call. Whoever bought like in collateral or a margin, they're gonna start getting margin call. And I don't think they're gonna be able to cover it around this time anymore. So that'd be kind of scary. But yeah. And then this article came out from the U.S. Department of Labor market. So they're looking into protecting cryptocurrency, mostly Bitcoin, for the 401ks. I know last episode we touched about it, but now the government is actually taking steps into protecting those 401k.
Are they against it, or are they like heavily trying to?
They're for it because they know that like they don't want the American people to be holding the bag, like a bad bag.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Like something was to go south, they want to make sure there's some type of.
What would they do? They would sell it for them, or what?
Oh, they just want to make sure that there's no like market manipulation or like collateral loans, or it's not being
good. This is good long term. Like they're obviously going to start finding solutions to, the money being so volatile. I mean, I can see this being a long term thing. Like it's not going to be something they can fix right away. Just because 401ks in themselves are they're not like super stable.
No, 401ks are pretty stable. Like the government and the SEC have done a pretty good job at protecting the assets for the working class. Last thing they want is like someone to get, they don't want the American class to get rug pulled like that at the end. So they're looking at ways how to like protect those 401k accounts.
Good luck with the way it's crashing right now.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what would they do? Like, would they liquidate the
Yeah, that's what I'm
the?
saying. It
Oh,
sounds like a long-term fix. It's not something they're gonna be able to fix overnight. It's not
uh,
because that is the thing. Like if it comes down to it, crashing the way it is right now, like the only way to save it is to sell it, and then to
oh yeah,
That's what I'm
yeah,
saying. Yeah.
Like,
And
I mean, like, right now they're just taking baby steps. They don't want like they don't want
that's what
they
I'm
don't want to
saying.
put like
It's a
10%.
long term. This is a long term fix. This is not. I mean,
Yeah,
there's
but
not even any regulations yet. So it's like, how much can you
no.
possibly do with no regulations? Not much.
Oh yeah, I mean, but they're saying like not to buy above 10% or not to like buy like not to allocate too much Bitcoin into portfolio. Like they want to give awareness to those banks that like not to mess it up for the people.
I think they're gonna keep it small right now. They're gonna test the waters and they're gonna try to see how they can figure that out. But with it being the way it is, with no regulations, it's just volatile as hell. Good luck.
I mean, yeah, good luck, but like the government the government is being proactive than reactive. So that's
I mean, the government has the money, but still.
yeah. But yeah, so that's that. All right, and then who here remembers like the FAANG abbreviations?
Yeah,
So
of course.
So yeah, so currently now they're gonna call MANG.
MANG.
Yeah, so they went through a few changes now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I
Where
guess
the other A come from?
the A is Apple, right?
No, but there's two A's.
Amazon.
Oh no,
What
yeah,
happened? They took it out. They took out.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. What happened to the other A?
oh yeah, they took out Amazon. I guess Amazon was not cutting it this year, but yeah, so we'll see.
Oh,
I
for
think.
reals?
Yeah, so I guess this is the new FAANG or this is a new MANG. This is a new
That's
stock.
crazy.
This is a new stock darlings. Yeah, but yeah, I'm pretty. I'm not shocked. I mean, when I first saw the FAANG, like I always felt weird about Netflix being there. I'm like, what do these guys do? Because that's being a streamer provider. I mean, they don't do anything too special, but I guess they finally got dropped for underperforming and getting rug pull.
Damn, where is Amazon right now?
I'll check out Netflix. Amazon is going sideways, but
Damn.
Netflix got rug pull.
Yeah,
Dirty.
Yeah, that's a rug pull there.
Oh man,
Look at that volume there.
we're back to like 2018 prices, bro.
Volume was crazy.
Yeah, we're back at 2017 prices.
2017 prices, dude.
Man.
So you had like 5 years of gains wiped out or something?
Yeah. There's nothing there.
That's pretty crazy.
That's bad.
What could bring it back to life?
Nothing,
huh? That's it, huh?
Yeah, I don't know, man. Oh, yeah.
But, like Netflix has become that one game where
too, or what?
Squid Game. No, it's done. There's nothing there.
Squid Game 2 is gonna come out, but it's not gonna save.
Yeah.
Do nothing. Look.
Yeah.
Look at the RSI, dude. The RSI was like, yo, what's going on down here?
Yeah, the RSI. Yeah.
Whole lot of nothing, bro. Damn.
A whole lot of nothing. Yeah, rug pull.
That's
rug pull.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's okay. And then we'll check Amazon just because someone said Amazon, and that's one of my big ones too. So I got hit hard.
Sheesh.
Oh,
But, I mean, it's not that bad, but it should recover.
Yeah, but it broke that.
Yeah, it got nuked, but it's not rug pull material. I mean, it's not rug pull material yet. But yeah. I got.
Bro, 2 years of gains got wiped out.
Yeah, I'm feeling that one. That one hurt me pretty bad.
Damn. So all that pandemic, like stay at home, people buying stuff from their house got wiped out, bro.
Wiped, dude.
That's bad. That sucks.
Yeah.
And I own Amazon too, so I'm in it too.
I'm hurting. I'm hurting pretty bad. I guess Bezos' first wife really like bought low and sold high. Literally, she like bought at the bottom and she sold like at the top. Yeah. All right. So that's and then so I saw this article by Goldman Sachs saying to that Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, Bitcoin not an investable asset class. Dogecoin ideal for speculation. So, I mean, I guess they're giving a fair warning for everyone that got caught up in the whole Dogecoin rug pull too. And then they're taking more of a defensive stance towards Bitcoin because they could see how it could. I mean, it is going to grow. Like it's bound to grow. But I guess they're being a bit more bullish on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then
on Bitcoin.
On Bitcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum, but not the shit. I mean, not the meme tokens.
Not the meme coins, yeah.
Yeah, not the meme coins. Those were just pretty bad. And going back to, has anyone seen the chart for Doge recently?
Oh,
It's at like 13, 14.
Oh my God.
Almost 13.
Yeah, this thing got rolled pretty bad. It's like Squid Game. I mean, Squid token.
Squid coin.
oh my God, it's okay,
Squid token. Remember, that was the original like
Yeah, it was bad.
rogue
Man.
flow.
That was really bad.
bro. That was it. Like when you would go try to buy it, like market cap would tell you on the top. It would literally said in red letters, "This is a scam." And
Wow.
people would still buy it.
So bad.
I wonder what was worse, Squid token or like
Standcoin.
or SafeWin, because they're
So-
both like in the
Squid
Squid
token was much worse.
Squid.
Come on.
Because it went to
Squid token.
zero, bro. It went straight to zero.
all right. Ojo, here, I remember that you've been saying that like you get kind of scared whenever you want to send crypto from one wallet to the other.
It just depends on which ones you're working with. Like if you're working with like a cold wallet, like it's a little more like just like if you put the wrong code, that's it. But like if you're using like crypto.com or like Coinbase, like it's pretty safe now because you have to do the 2-step verification. You can double check.
And you also have
you really
customer
you're
service.
forced to double check everything. So not so much anymore. From what I hear is that there's already a few people working on ways to actually like recover crypto and stuff. Except for like lost Bitcoin. Bitcoin's really the one that's like once it's gone, it's gone. But like,
Wow.
all these other coins, like they're just starting to find ways to do it. There's even people finding ways to hack into the hardware wallets. There's already like I saw a video the other day. It was like a son and his dad. They figured out how to break into. I think it was the Trezor, some shit like that. It's one of those hardware wallets. So they're starting to figure it out. They're starting to recover crypto that's like lost in like.
Hey guys, we have 15 minutes, so let's kind of keep this moving here.
All right, for sure.
All right, yeah, because I guess this guy's not having like a field day since he sent the seized JUNO token to the wrong wallet, and it's like
I've never even heard of JUNO.
yeah, and then it says like it says an error that moved the tokens to an address that cannot access. So.
$36 million, dude. That's
Yeah, but like that's pretty scary. That's pretty scary. So I was like, that's always one of my biggest fears too. Like when you do the Zelle transfer to like to someone that you're paying someone for a service, I always kind of like get iffy about it. I'm like, what if like that they give me the wrong number or I put the wrong code or something, and I send it to like some random
Zelle's
address.
pretty good about it though, because like if you send it, it'll tell you like, oh, this wallet belongs to and it's their full name.
All right.
But like with the wallets like this, like there is none of that.
Yeah, there's none of that. All right. So we must not go full on ape on that stuff. But who here heard about the whole ape yacht club fiasco when they dropped their latest NFT land sale?
Yeah, I heard about it. I heard it was a shiz storm.
Yeah, Tapes, you're the one who called that out, right?
I called it, man. I said ApeCoin was going to go up and then was going to tank after the sale.
Man, that's crazy. And that was because of the whole Ethereum.
Exactly, because of gas fees. Like, if you want to buy it now, like, if there's like huge traffic on an NFT project and you want to buy it, you're competing against thousands of people trying to buy the same NFT. So the gas prices go even higher because so many people are in the same, platform. And this was 55,000 like land that was offered. So you can just imagine how much people were there.
Yeah, I saw a report saying the Ethereum network crashed or something like that, or like the chain got like stalled out because it just couldn't keep up with the whole like.
Yeah, exactly. 55,000, bro. That's a lot of NFTs.
That's a lot of NFTs. Yeah.
They dropped.
Yeah, that's how many they dropped.
And how much were they selling it for?
I have no idea.
Yeah, but you see like a lot of people
were paying more in gas fees than they were in the actual the land.
How it goes.
So like the gas fees, damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, the gas fees were like over thousands of dollars. They were like the cheapest you can probably get it was like $2,000-$3,000.
Man, that's almost right,
bro.
That's yeah. I mean, that's a very bad look. That's a very bad look. But yeah, like when that happened, recently I think it was yesterday or today, ApeCoin and the Polygon a network, they're gonna start working together for them to mint and run their NFTs.
Polygon was pretty fast.
Yeah, I mean, they should have done that in the first place.
I know.
Like Polygon's whole purpose is to make Ethereum scalable and
Yeah.
faster and cheaper. Yeah, I mean, because just straight Ethereum right now is getting way too clunky, and too many users trying to do transactions. It's not really made for that now.
They're trying to milk it till they can't anymore. And
Well, there's
it's
No,
starting to
I
get
mean-
to the- it's starting to get to the point where they can't milk it anymore. People are starting to like realize it. I mean,
Well-
it takes time
well-
because it's like you got time. They got time on their side. Like they've been around for a while, so they're trusted at least.
Yeah. So I think like this week shows like it shows like a pretty clear way why people should utilize layer 2 chains, right, for like big network, for the big
Yeah.
networks like Ethereum or Bitcoin, because like they're pretty slow. Those networks are pretty slow itself, and the chains are slow. But if you attach a layer 2 like Polygon for the Ether, I think that's like a lot more feasible and a lot more cheaper for the community and going forward with it.
Yeah, there's a new I don't know if you call it protocol, but it's called ERC 721,
Oh,
which is the new like NFT Ethereum that they're gonna start using.
ERC what?
NFTs specifically for NFTs that offer gas fees refunds.
721.
Yes, you type it in ERC 721.
I found EIP.
ERC.
ERC 721.
Yeah.
Damn. Hopefully I don't get a virus. I found something, but I'm not sure what it is.
I don't even know where you're at.
I have it on my
Okay, okay.
site. I don't know if this is it. But I can. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. I should have looked it up before putting this up. Okay, but yeah, So I mean, if someone can, if the off chains can offset the cost and the speed, they should just use a Polygon or other chains.
Yeah, Polygon. I mean, Polygon is basically free.
Yeah. So might as well use it up because yeah, you're right. It's free. Look at it. It's pretty free. It's literally pennies on the dollars for it to go through. But yeah. Okay, and then I saw this article here about is ApeCoin the new Dogecoin? Like, what do you guys think about that?
I mean, I definitely think ApeCoin has the potential to be a popular meme coin just because of how popular the Bored Ape stuff is.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I mean, Dogecoin is kind of that poster boy for meme coins. We'll see what ApeCoin does.
It's right there. It's the fourth one.
Yeah.
So
ApeCoin though is kind of like moving
Look
beyond
at that.
just being a coin though. I think that's the reason why the price actually shot up.
well,
They have actual projects and stuff that like.
Well, that's what
That's
that's what the NFT drop was for.
It's not even just
other
NFT
side.
anymore though. That's what I'm trying to say. Like it's doing more beyond NFT and crypto. Like they're doing the trilogy. They're doing.
No, they're
video
actually
game,
exactly.
like
They're
doing
bringing the
stuff.
NFTs into their new game, which is other side, which is why they had that drop, was to buy land for the game.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So they're going beyond. But that's what I'm just reiterating that like they're.
Oh,
going
okay,
beyond,
gotcha.
They're going beyond crypto and fucking NFTs.
Yeah.
So like Doge is kind of like, yeah, they're working on things that are useful and stuff like the working, like being able to send stuff offline, but it's like that doesn't really attract like young people. That's more like a fear monger type thing. Like, oh, if the internet's down, you can still send Dogecoin type thing. And it's kind of, that's more for like older people that are worried about that type of stuff. But
EMPs and stuff.
yeah, but
Yeah,
like,
I can see that.
but for
But,
like with ApeCoin, it's like you're kind of targeting a young audience, under 24, 25. And that's kind of the way to do things in general. If you want to get it, if you want to make money through a company, so you go towards, not kids, but but now I hear like a lot of my friends that like have like 13-year-olds or 14-year-olds, like all these dudes are giving their kids money and opening up like accounts for them and letting them invest, and it's like,
Yeah,
if they
but I
lose-
bought.
if they lose 1,000, he's like, I don't care. Like at least they're learning, and it's like it's my
Yeah.
kid losing the money, so I don't have to worry about like that fear of losing it. Like
Yeah,
Yeah.
on that too. But like I don't see them like going on and just buying Dogecoin because that's a thing of the past. That's like 2020 news already. But I mean, yeah. So we'll see how that goes. But in other news,
I mean, I have friends buying Dogecoin still. I mean, you're the only person that's not buying it, bro. Well, not the only person, but like, there's still people buying all these coins, and
there is.
there's a lot of people buying this stuff, or if it would have gone to zero already. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
but those meme tokens ride on momentum, and right now the momentum is like
oh yeah, well, it's dead for everything though.
it's definitely. I mean, for everything, but mostly,
everything's-
yeah. But and other stuff. Did any of you guys actually sign up for the Coinbase market marketplace for the NFTs
I think you're the only one.
besides me?
I'm
Because
not-
I did it.
Out of
I've
4
not-
people,
I've-
only one.
I have not bought one NFT at all.
You haven't bought that one? Oh man,
No.
all right. Yeah, because like I guess like the Coinbase market cap might become the CNN Plus 2.0 because I guess it's been 2 weeks and not many people are logging in.
To me, NFTs are useless unless they have like that sort of utility, like ApeCoin is doing, where they're gonna allow you to like, use their actual design or whatever in their world or whatever they're doing. But as far as that, like if they're just selling you a picture, it's kind of to me it's worthless. That's why
Worthless,
Yeah,
all
I
right.
I've
think
not jumped into it at all, and I can't afford an ApeCoin, so it's like, why
yeah,
even bother?
I think Coinbase was very late to the NFT game.
Literally
And
the last ones.
and like the hype is kind of dying out. I really read that NFT sales, sale volumes are down this year compared to last year and stuff. And
Oh, they are.
yeah,
course.
they were just kind of a little bit too late, I think.
Yeah, they've
But
been late.
it's nice to have, but they're not gonna be the next OpenSea, I think.
Oh, look at the floor price. That was
Yeah.
not even worth at all.
Wait, what do you mean the floor price?
Look at the floor
Of
price.
this?
Yeah,
Yeah, like I mean, wait, what's this? Does anyone actually
that's
know?
the that's the land for the game.
Oh, this is the land for the ape.
Yeah.
Ape? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
for the ape game. Yeah,
Oh shoot. All
that's
right,
what I'm
all right.
saying. Like people were paying more on Ethereum gases than they were on the
Yeah, that's
actual.
like 10 grand right there each one.
Yeah, that's not being cheap.
Yeah, that's cheap.
And
I mean, that stuff
crap.
ain't cheap,
I'll be
yeah.
honest, it's kind of crappy. It looks kind of cool, but that's land.
Look at the items. Go up. Look at the items.
Where are the items?
97,000.
Oh, damn. That's like a whole Minecraft community there.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah. But yeah. I mean, well, talking about real estate and NFTs and land. I guess like the housing market is kind of it's cooling off and still picking up. So, wait, where's it at? Yeah, so I have this heat map here. All the green is cooling off, red's still hot. So I guess California is cooling off because we were hot for almost 10 years.
Yeah, we're putting it up right now.
Yeah. And then one thing that has remained hot throughout this whole time has been like Florida, the Carolinas, and anything like in the
Florida's
East
the most expensive place to live right now
Mhm.
Man.
in the U.S.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, I mean it's tough to afford affordable housing.
Yeah, I was reading that apartments are going up 14% every month.
Wait, 14% every month apartments?
Yeah.
Goddamn.
Like a one bedroom that used to be like $20, like 2,200 is now like 27.
Damn, yeah. That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Damn, that's tough. Like I don't know how people are going to be able to afford rent.
OnlyFans.
Yeah. What the heck?
They all live there.
Yeah,
Wait,
because I can't see
The
this article.
OnlyFans.
Well, that's why a lot of the homes in Hollywood, it's like each bedroom has like 10 beds, and they still pay like $1,000 in rent.
Yeah, I saw this article how in San Francisco people are renting out they're renting out bunk beds as like
Oh, yeah.
for like $900
Yeah.
for a month. I'm like,
They've been doing it in LA for the longest.
what do you mean they have? Where?
Yeah. I personally know a few people that live in those.
Wait, what? So you could go in and rent out a bunk bed?
It's literally like it's their houses in the hills, and they have bunk beds in the big bedrooms, and they have like 9 to 12 beds in there, and each person pays like $1,000.
Wow.
What the
That's
And they were
heck?
girls. The ones that I knew were girls.
What?
You know
Oh
who?
yeah,
Well, I don't want to say their names on here, but Ray knows the guy that told me about it.
man, I gotta get on that. I gotta buy like a property here and just like add a bunch of bunk beds and I charge
Yo.
1,200 a month.
I mean, you
This
can put
is
a bunch of
Well,
little rooms in the. I have a friend
privacy not
down the
included.
street from my house that has like 6 little bedrooms in his backyard, and he rents each one for like $600-700.
man.
And he
We're
just
doing
made a bathroom like on the far end where he, where they all share it. It's like a little community bathroom for them.
man.
It's crazy out here, bro. It's crazy.
It is crazy out here. It's crazy out
That's
here.
And he's like,
crazy.
and that pays his mortgage, and like he just chills.
That's
You guys
crazy.
all know him actually.
Yeah, man. Gotta pack like sardines now and just like
He's like,
build them up.
man, that's kind of crazy and degrading at the same time. Like,
It is, but I mean, that's how people are doing it right now.
Yeah. Welcome to the American Dream 2022 or whatever we're at.
It's turning into,
Yeah. All right.
whatever movie-
Yeah, it's tough. All right, so not to kind of like laugh it off already. Like let's pull out some memes.
Oh
Yeah,
jeez.
yeah, so I started like literally this was everyone like the past 2 years. Like let's get it to the
yeah,
moon.
let's celebrate. I was telling people this uprise right now that's going on back in the last 2 years. I was like,
Yeah, like everyone thought it was gonna be like
they're printing too much, man. They're printing too much. Inflation hasn't hit. You don't haven't felt anything yet.
yeah, it's yeah, you're right about that. Because I remember everyone was going crazy.
I was.
Yeah,
That's why in February I sold everything because I saw it coming.
yeah, we've been getting wrecked. Everyone has been getting wrecked.
Super-
But yeah, like yeah. Okay, and this other one here. Let me see which one is it. I guess that's literally everyone that we know that invests.
Oh, man.
Yeah, now. I mean, now it's kind of like, oh man, like
A 5 o'clock shadow.
pasty white.
wait, where are the comments on this one? Oh, there's no comments. Oh man, that sucks.
Old
All right, and then
18 weeks.
yeah, these are the Ethereum fees. I mean, I think 100 is still cheap, but anyone
Yeah,
paying over,
how cheap.
yeah, it's still cheap, but yeah, people paying what like over $1,000.
$100 is cheap for gas fees. You serious?
Yeah.
Not if you're trying to send 40 bucks.
No, I mean like compared to like historically what
I guess,
what
yeah.
ETH, yeah.
I would
But no,
never
in
pay
general,
for
yeah,
gas
that's
fees.
expensive. But for ETH, that's like
It's
cheaper.
ridiculous, bro. Why would you pay a fee to send?
And
Less than
Ethereum, I mean, the
$100.
Ethereum Foundation gets that fee, right? It's not just like some money that just goes into fucking thin air.
Yeah, it's partly the ETH Foundation and
They'll
like
ship it to you.
like miners,
Bro,
validators.
They're loving
Yeah.
it. They're loving it. They don't give a shit about making it slower. I mean, making it faster. They don't give
All
a
right,
shit.
and then like talking about Ether, I guess we caught the
Oh,
Vitalik
Vitalik.
chilling at some porn convention.
Oh man,
half of my net worth is in this guy's
It's
hands.
like ETH 2.0 is taking forever.
Jeez.
yeah, I
Oh,
mean
God.
it's pretty so it's someone said pink eye, but yeah, I mean
Pink eye.
I'd sell all my ETH if he didn't do this.
yeah, I mean like when I first saw it like through the small screen on my phone, I thought it was him. So you guys actually showed me the meme full. I'm like, okay, it's
he
not
looks
him.
more like Tosh.0.
I know he does.
He does, but like no, at first glance, I thought it was him. I'm like, oh my god, if it's him, like I was like, all right, so I'm gonna have to like liquidate half. I mean, literally 25 to half of my whole Ether, like network. I mean, my holdings. I was like, oh my god, it is not gonna fly. This, but I guess I'm just glad that it wasn't him. But yeah,
Word. All right, guys,
All right.
let's wrap this up.
yeah, let's wrap it up. I think we went over the limit. All right,
Yeah,
someone
a
take it
little
away.
bit, but not much. All right, cool. All right, guys, that's our show. If you liked it, like it, share it, comment, follow us on Instagram and TikTok at War Room Finance, and tune in next Thursday, for another episode covering the week's stock